Right, howdy there guys, just doing this tier 5 fetch and clear here, just see if we can get through this on single player. Should be fun. Should be hectic anyway. I'll read that. Let's fire this up then. I thought my bloody motorbike had despawned then. I was going to say we're having a giraffe. Right, let's see if everything's loaded here. Because we know it's going to be hectic in here. Right, we're good. Bonjour. Fact. Let's do that. Do that. Just have one of them. No, let's go. Let's go. Cheers, Bob. I'm gonna be like that now, bud. Just see how me bag is. The music's kicked in and all sorts. Beautiful. I've got a bag, dude. Not bother. Yeah, we'll take that bit. Put that on as well for a minute. Yeah, that's why we've got to go down there, isn't it? Yeah, we can remember this one. Let's go down this side. Scrap that, throw that, don't want that neither. I'm going to bother with that neither. Don't need none of that. And take the $10. I'll take that. I won't bother with that bits and bloody bobs. Well, let's get in here. See if there's out in the truck first. I'll do. We want the pole. That'll only give me 9 paper. Should use the axe there. Get him, look, he's fast asleep, isn't he? That's it, Bobby, get into them. That's it. He says smart ass. Look, he says we're going the other way around. We're going the other way around. Goddamn smart ass, eh? Hey, what are you doing close to that there? Like, goddamn smart ass soldier. Not smart enough, but not smart enough. You're dropping a bit on FPS there, aren't we, on this one? Wait, I'm boys, let's bust heads. Only got stuck at me, mate. Radiating folk. It's bad for you. What are you doing? Come here. Oh. You dead, you're right. Nothing bloody zombies kill. It says mine's further down. Okay. Recording. Now I'll grab this. Gonna need that, we'll take the bullets so if there's any ammo. Bloody green shotgun shells. Them. Come on, me little beauts. Hey. Hazmat can. Oh, hazmat can. Candy. Oh, Larry. Oh my god. Oh, why hasn't been good with that, yeah? Come on, you. Messing around. What are you doing? I'm glad with his tickling stick. Multi-kill. Holy shit. Free gas. Don't much less. Are you stinging me on my arm? What do you think my arm like that? Yeah. Straight in your face shows. Lovely, says. Hey. Do you want to do it Farrell, right? Yeah, I think it does. I'm Mucho Bosso, man, not you. You get what I'm saying? You get me? Where's you come from? Oh, don't get radiated in your bloody fold of stuff. Look at that. Look at that. Mothering folk. Right, so he says we've got to go down again. That door's locked. Oh, meds here. 3 meds. I'll take them. Don't mind if you want the others. Where have we got to go now? Right, hang on a minute, cause we have done this POR before, haven't we? So we flip that switch, that opens that door, doesn't it? That's all that does. We can't go that way. We came in through that way. So where now? That door's locked. Oh. Went through sod-eyed window here by the look of things, isn't it? That was it. Oh yeah, it's this one and then down the ladder, isn't it? We know now. We know now. Don't knock me off, you would. There, man. There you go. Some more bullets there. So you save ammo, see? You don't need bullets to do these POIs with them. I think that's really serious. Keep them under control with this hammer for now, you know what I'm saying? There's a ladder going down into there, we've got to go across here. Jump! Oh, oh. Awful. Hey! Get down here! What are you doing? Zombie. Bonjour. Coming to you, don't worry. I'll come kill you in a bit. See my bags. Oh, I'll find my bag somewhere. We got to start right down at the bottom. Oh, that's it. Go on then. This is where it might get a bit airy. Slam him in the skull. There you go, Bob Elba. You keep drowning. There goes this funny bone. Let's just have a quick coffee. Beautiful. Oh, Farrell, why don't do that, mate? I think we need to open up a setting. I think Warrior isn't hard enough anymore. It's Do you know what I mean? We'll see. We'll see how it goes. I bought all these bullets with me. I haven't bloody used any yet, look. But oh, I'll bring some bullets just in case I need them. You know how it is. Don't need that. It's only going to be cloth and bloody rubbish anyway, isn't it? Help you up. So many buggers again, yeah. There you go. Have a nice day. Scrap that, we'll eat that. Go on, we'll take that as well. We'll use that, so I'll just use that. Paper. That dude all asleep down there, look. Oh, look them all. Friendly little folk. That's it. Here goes his funny bone. Ready. Bloody cruel, he says. Absolutely cruel. Good fun though. Very good. But yeah, we'll make another 10 of them. It's fine. Right, now it's armoured. Ooh. Dirty sodding swine. Dirty sodding swine. Spitting at me like that. I think he bloody is. Oh, Tango. Kenneth, where are you going? How's that done? You slap me. Nasty, you zombie. We'll throw that because we need the cement. We'll throw that as well because we don't need that. We don't need that. We'll try to carry these other bits and bobs and I can sell them other bullets and that to the trader. Let's have another one of them megas. Swimming feral whitey? What's all that about? How's that, yeah? Bloody infecting the bloody water and everything, man. Come on, get up there. Dodgy, ain't it, that? Sorry, camp. Morning, camp. How you doing, camp? Holy shit. Sorry, feral man. Oh, that's bloody good, wasn't it? Bloody spectacular. Got floating food here, man. Floating food, man. Floating food. Can't believe that. We'll munch that. We'll scrap that. We'll drink that. And we'll take that. Don't need them knuckle parts and that. Now scrap that. Don't bother with any of that. Don't need that. What was that? 10? Oh, 10 of tuna. We'll take the tuna. Some bugger about, isn't there? I can hear you. Where's he on? Old woodcutter man. I think they bother with that. Oh, he at him before he blew up, the dirty sod. Bloody cheat. Sorry, Karen, I forgot to save you though. What do you want? Okay, to come for it, isn't it? There we go, beautiful. Spectacular. Oh, we've got no space for that now. That's not good, is it? We'll throw that because we've got plenty of that. And don't need that. We're all good. So I wonder where. Any more? Oh, way up. Hey. Go on, Big Steve. Lucky blood. Where's he gone? Get here. Don't need the cobbly. That's it, I'm going the right bloody way here. I haven't got it. Knock all them down in one swing with boom, boom, boom. We're back here again. Okay. What's that door locked again then? So there, why are we back here? So we've gone round in a circle. We've got to go up this way then. Because he's still saying clear area. That's locked. Not far away, that's all of you look. I knocked the fine guy's face off there, didn't I? Good God. Get off the bloody fence, you stupid... He's climbing up ladder, look, he was playing. Come on, come down here, bud. He's snuck out of the cage. See if we can knock him over the cage. Karen! She's caged in. Where are they bloody coming from? I needed a twist in that one. Go for Salco. Gonna have a bad neck there, aren't you, if you're doing that? Wow. That's it. I'll just swap that with that. Get that bit of paper. Oh, meds there on the floor. Didn't see them. Can't find any supplies or nothing yet. We know what's around the corner. Yes, we do. Perfect. Oh, somebody's down there, I think. More of me, please. Oh, oh, bloody hell. Get back up. I've seen you, Karen. I saw you, Karen. I knew you were there. Right, so this is the loot room. As we know, so we'll flip the switch. Leave that open. Oh, they'll be in the courtyard outside, won't we? Let's just go to my bike if we can. Bird on the head. See you, pigeon. Now my bike's over yonder. That with that. I'll just jump off the wall here, can't we? As long as we don't get the boundaries, we should be okay there. Keep them on us. Go on, we'll take them off us as well. Just put them. Take the axe with us, we'll need that. I'll just put the bloody wood on me in the bike, can't I? Duh. Can jump up there, can't we? That's good. Right, cool. Grab the loot. Oh, that nice level 2 lever rifle there. And we'll just find out where these other zombie heroes are. And there we go, there you go then folks, we've done a level tier 5 POI there with just the sledgehammer. Well, we used the shotgun with what, 3 rounds on a shotgun, didn't we? Something like that, so didn't really have to need to use that really, but it's quicker using the bloody sledgehammer to get rid of them, isn't it, than power swings. You do have to wooden one. Good God. Scrap. Scrap. Yeah, perfect. I've completed some of the books, that's good. Nomad gloves, we can scrap them. Scrap them, we'll take that. Reef, accept. That's it, we'll take all that, awesome. I should drop this off in the back and then we'll go find them other zombies. And we'll go back in and clear it out. Some good loot there. Yeah, we'll keep that wood on us. That'll do, won't it? Let's go. There's a bag there, I'll check that before we go. We didn't get that now, did we? There's that shotgun Messiah box. Right, let's get down here. It's down in the garage, isn't it? $30 meters. Where we had to go through 5 meters, 4 meters that way. Let's have a quick nose because obviously I don't want to fail it. Right, so I wonder where down. Still saying below, how much further down can we go? Right, okay, let's go back this way. Strange one. Let's get through the floor here. Just wondering if it's in the silo port. Right. swine. There we go. How was this then? Oh, where I put the bloody spikes there. I missed that little washroom out. Damn. I'm gonna miss that bookcase. All the 6 paper. It was worth getting, wasn't it? Right, so we went this way. We can go back this way then, can't we? Back through the toilets. I'm getting bloody lost again now. Where did we come from? This was the way. I think it would have been easy to just put bloody ladders up, wouldn't it? I don't know. I'll get out to this bloody place in a minute. Oh, no, don't fall off the... I hate this bloody parkour for that because it jumps too high. Look, I'm banging my head off the bloody girder. Thank you. Oh. Don't mind if I do. Floating mapping flag. Cheers, mate. Let's bust through the wall and into the garage here. 2 minutes. Might as well get that bit of fuel, aren't we? Be rude not to. Right, cool, we're good. Return to trade up. So there you go, folks. Tier 5 POI that done. Not an infestation one, but just a normal tier 5 POI. And virtually did it all with just a sledgehammer there, didn't we, folks? So. Except for them 3 shots off the shotgun. Yeah, we'll take them. Awesome. There you go then, folks. I'll leave my little video there and I'll catch you next time. See you all later.